Good morning, everyone, and welcome to our presentation. Today, we're going to teach you a little bit about the X-ray circuit and how it works.
The main circuit and the filament circuit are combined to form the basic X-ray circuit that is composed of a sequence of devices that produces X-rays.
The main circuit consists of two parts, the primary circuit, known as the low voltage side, and the secondary circuit, known as the high voltage side. The main circuit supplies power to the X-ray tube so that X-rays can be produced, and it modifies the incoming current that produces those X-rays.
The main breaker is where the alternating current comes from the power circuit. It is typically enclosed inside an electrical power box. This is what generates power to the tube.
The exposure switch, also called the deadman switch, permits current flow throughout the circuit. When the button is pushed to begin an exposure, which is done in one motion called boost and hold, to help extend the tube life, this switch closes to start the exposure, which in turn activates the rotating anode.
The autotransformer is a single coil of wire over an iron core. It uses self-induction to provide a voltage to the filament and the high voltage side of the circuit. This is where you adjust the kVp for an exposure.
The timer circuit is what controls the time of the exposure. It interrupts the circuit to end the exposure when the desired mass is reached.
The high voltage step-up transformer is located partly in the primary low circuit area and partly in the secondary high voltage circuit. It uses mutual induction to step up the voltage and to step down the amperage to ensure that the electrons have enough energy to form X-rays.
The 4-diode rectification circuit converts the alternating current flowing through the circuit to direct current, allowing all the current to flow in one direction. There are two types of rectifiers: half-wave rectifiers, which pass half of the AC through one or more diodes, and full-wave rectifiers that use 4 diodes to function, changing the entire current to DC.
The X-ray tube is where X-rays are created.
The electromagnetic stators and copper rotor rotates the anode.
The filament circuit supplies power to the filament of the X-ray tube so that the filament supplies enough electrons by thermionic emission. It modifies incoming line power to produce thermionic emission from the filament wire. It is also used to adjust MA ratings.
The filament circuit variable resistor adjusts the current going into the filament.
The filament step-down transformer steps down the voltage and steps up the amperage, which increases current flow to the cathode.
Thank you for watching our presentation. Now enjoy a meme that Krista found funny, and she brought candy bars to everybody. So I hope everybody enjoys.
Created using Powtoon.